So hello again everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for coming back and watching. So this is another dive out in Kwajalein Lagoon, and this dive was done in January. You can believe that, the middle of the winter. Of course in Kwaj there's not really any winter, but this was a pretty cool dive. We're going to see a killer of the coral reefs. It's an interesting little critter, and out of all the time I spent on Kwajalein, I only saw this guy once. So keep watching and we'll see this guy coming up in a little bit. So this was a nice shallow dive. The sun was out, we had a lot of sunlight coming down through the water, and we've got a lot of nice species of fish coming up here. If you recognize any of these, leave some comments down below, please. I don't know all the kinds of fish that were here. There were some unusual butterfly fish and a couple of other species. Again, if you recognize any of them, leave some comments down below. There it is, folks. That's a Crown of Thorns Starfish. These guys are coral killers. They will slowly eat the coral. And I've heard divers, some of divers will carry around a capped syringe of vinegar just in case they come across one of these guys. And they'll inject the vinegar into the starfish. So, if any of y'all have heard anything like that, comment down below as well, please. Alright, again, thanks for watching everyone. This is a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you at the next one.